They don't hiss for drama. They don't sneak in looking for hugs. Pythons slide into your life uninvited, through gardens, ceilings, and sometimes your nightmares. They don't roar, they don't chase, they wait. They rap, and if they strike, you're already halfway to being a very sad burrito. In this video, you'll see real encounters caught on camera and discover weird but true facts about how these silent noodle assassins hunt, bite, and digest. A woman is gently rocking her baby to sleep when an uninvited guest suddenly appears. A massive python slithers silently into her home. It isn't until the snake comes alarmingly close that she notices it. Startled, she quickly grabs the baby and moves to safety. It's a rare and terrifying situation. One can only imagine what might have happened had the mother not been there. In another scene, a man in Australia, known for safely capturing wild animals that wander into residential areas and releasing them back into the wild, comes face to face with a giant python trying to crawl over a fence. He manages to grab the snake as usual, wrapping it around his body to show the crowd. But this time, things take a dangerous turn. The python suddenly tightens its grip, then snaps back and bites him on the head. Thankfully, he escapes with only minor scratches. But this moment is a chilling reminder. No matter how experienced you are, wild animals can strike without warning. Let's be real, most pythons don't want anything to do with us. But sometimes, things go sideways. There are confirmed cases of pythons swallowing people. Yes, entire humans. In 2017, a man in Indonesia went missing. Villagers found a 7-meter python looking extra stuffed. Spoiler, he was inside. These snakes don't hiss or roar. They wait, lurk, and strike when you least expect it. You could be sleeping, farming, or just vibing near tall grass. If the python is hungry and you look easy to roll up and microwave, boom. That's why, while rare, these attacks are no joke. Because when it comes to pythons, rare still bites. Pythons don't need venom. They don't need speed. What they need is one big hug, but not the warm, fuzzy kind. When a python grabs hold, it wraps around its prey like a weighted blanket from hell. And here's the evil genius part. Every time you breathe out, it tightens. So you inhale, then exhale, and oops, no room for a follow-up breath. Contrary to the myth, they don't actually crush bones. They just squeeze the life out of you. Blood stops flowing, organs give up, and the brain goes, "Yep, I'm done." One study even showed blood pressure to the brain drops to 0 in under a minute. So yes, pythons kill with cuddles. Terrifying, oxygen-stealing, spine-numbing cuddles. Pythons are usually pretty chill. They don't want drama, but corner one, grab it too fast, or breathe funny near its head, and that chill turns into, "I will bite your face now." You see, when they feel threatened or restrained, their instincts flip a switch, from noodle to ninja. Some early warning signs: body tightening, tongue flicks slowing down, and the classic S-shaped head coil, aka, "I'm winding up, bro." In one real case, a python in an Indonesian reptile cafe that had been passed around more than a party snack suddenly lunged at a tourist's face. 18 stitches later, no more selfies. So here's the moral. Just because a snake isn't hissing doesn't mean it's happy. Sometimes the most dangerous animals are the ones silently plotting your downfall. You can't see them in the dark, but they can see you. Pythons are equipped with heat-sensing pits that work like budget-friendly thermal cameras. Even if you're hiding in pitch black, to them you look like a walking glow stick, dipped in bacon grease. That's how they hunt at night, not by sound, but by temperature radar. So if you're thinking of sneaking past one in the jungle while wrapped in a blanket, maybe don't. These guys can detect subtle body heat changes from several feet away. And with this sixth sense, they don't need to see you move. They feel your warmth and strike with spooky precision. It's like being hunted by a radiologist with a grudge. They don't have venom, so their bite must be harmless, said no herpetologist ever. Pythons come equipped with rows of sharp, backward-curving teeth, like 100+ tiny fish hooks designed to say, "You're not going anywhere." Once they bite, they don't let go. The more you struggle, the deeper the teeth go. Try pulling away, and you'll likely leave behind, well, skin. The teeth dig in, hold on, and pave the way for the real party trick, constriction. Even trained wildlife officers have been caught off guard, like the guy in Florida who got latched onto and politely gnawed on for 2 whole minutes. So yeah, their bite is more than just a hello. It's a full-body nope from nature. From stealthy garden strolls to ceiling drop-ins, vice grip hugs, and surprise bites to the face, these python encounters show just how sneaky, silent, and absolutely done with your personal space these reptiles really are. Whether they're sensing your body heat in total darkness, wrapping you like a burrito, or digesting dinner in slow motion, one thing's clear: pythons are not here to play. They're here to squeeze. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this slightly unhinged snake safari, give it a like, hit subscribe for more dangerously weird animal facts, and tap the bell so you don't miss what slides in next. And let us know in the comments which python fact gave you chills, or which one made you say, "Nope, never visiting the jungle ever again."